In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send, reply all, and forward email in Outlook. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing only on the Outlook desktop application on Windows, so you can manage your emails directly from your computer with ease and confidence. These are the most essential email actions you will use every day, whether you're communicating for work, school, or personal use, and understanding them will help you stay organized and respond faster inside your inbox. To begin, open the Outlook application on your Windows computer and make sure you are on your main mail view where your inbox is visible. To send a new email, look for the New Email button at the top left area of the window and click it. A new message window will open where you can enter the recipient's email address in the To field, add a clear subject line, and type your message in the body section. Once everything is ready and reviewed, click Send to deliver your email. Now, when you receive an email and want to respond, open the message from your inbox. If you only want to reply to the sender, click the Reply button, which will open a response window addressed directly to that person. Type your message and click Send once you're done. If the email includes multiple recipients and you want everyone in the conversation to see your response, you can choose Reply all instead. This ensures your message is shared with all original recipients of the email thread. For forwarding an email, open the message you want to share with someone else. Click the Forward button, and a new message window will appear with the original email included in the body. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to send it to. You can also add a short message above the forwarded content if needed to give context. Once everything is prepared, click Send to forward the email. These basic actions in Outlook help you communicate more efficiently and manage your inbox in a structured way. By using Send, Reply all, and Forward correctly, you can ensure your messages reach the right people and your conversations stay organized and easy to follow throughout your daily tasks. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.